in the radio, put it in my car, in the dipper. Went big thing in the dipper. You cut it off? What? It ain't got no speaker in it. Man, get out of here, man. That's wild, man. Man, goddamn. What? To the music got. God, I got this big night thing in here. Dang. Trying to put music in the slider. Yeah, man, y'all know I was putting the radio in this car. This car came from the auction. Man, you see what radio I got, y'all? Ooh, boy, I got that big joint in here, boy. I see what, man, I got that big joint in here, man. It mirror and everything. It go up in that, man. It's a big joint, man, the new one. I know it's about $1,000 radio album. But anyway, I ain't got no speakers in the doors, man. Ain't no speakers in the car, man. Right back here, ain't no speakers back there either, man. That one thing I just learned. These cars from the auction, man, make sure, well, I ain't gonna say make sure, but check to see if you got speakers in the car, man, because a lot of people take the speakers out. But yeah, and fuses and relays and all that. So make sure go check for the speakers, fuses, and relays. So they take all that out, bro. This car ain't got no speakers in it. We wind it up. And then I don't hear nothing. I'm like, what's going on? Ain't no speakers in here, bro. Man. So now, I'm about to go to the junkyard and get speakers out another window instead of just buying new speakers, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get the premium speakers out of the loaded version, though. The premium speakers. Man, it's crazy. They ain't got no speakers. And I need to take this door panel off anyway, because it's an ambient lighting in here. When I push in like that, it work. When I don't, it don't. But this side work. So I gotta take all this off anyway, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. And I'm gonna put some more stripping up here because water coming in right here and they getting it wet over there. But man, I was like, that's crazy, dog. But they took all the speakers out this car, bro. There's no speakers in here. Like, I can see clearly they had music hooked up because you see the red wire. So I'm assuming whoever car it was before it went to the auction, they took all that music out of there, bro. Or somebody could have got all of that at the auction. Ain't no telling, bro. Like, ain't no telling. You know what I'm saying? So now I gotta put these speakers in. I ain't mad, though. Shoot. Still caught for the car. You know what I'm saying? But, man, I still ain't got no radio, bro. That ain't the move, bro. I'm like, they here. That's why we hit on it. That's why we hit on it. You know what I'm saying? Boy, that thing huge, boy. That's how big the screen is, huh? It's an 8.9 inch screen, man. It's the Sony joint too now. But I think it's an 8X AV 8000. This is what this is, an 8X AV 8000. You know what I'm saying? I just stay tuned in, man. Mad Mars Cars, man. I told you, man, no telling what all I'm gonna get. I'm going to say, man, next thing I'm gonna get, man. Next thing I'm supposed to get, slingshot, man. I gotta get me a slingshot, bro. But y'all see that video of me and KT on that hit Can-Am. I gotta get me a slingshot, bro. And y'all done seen me on a slingshot before. I've ridden it a couple times. I gotta get my own. You know what I'm saying? I got to get my own, bro. Well, it ain't too fun, bro. Like, it's a motorcycle, bro, but it's a motorcycle with seats, so it's safer. It's way more safe. And it's on fun, bro. Like, it's different than fun. I gotta get me one, bro. For real. Pay them all off. Going to keep it. You know what I'm saying? So you might as well buy all all the other stuff. This was a need right here. This car wasn't a want. This car was a need. I needed this car. I needed this car. Every other car, man, they drink so much gas. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to drive all my other cars every day like that. I drive this. You know what I'm saying? I drive this every day. And keep out my other cars, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about every day, man. Y'all stay tuned in to the channel, man. I've been having crazy dreams. I've been having crazy dreams about YouTube, man, about me me being successful. Just like, I've been having crazy dreams, bro. Like, and when it be like that, I know it's gonna happen, bro. I know it's gonna happen. The dreams I've been having, man, it's gonna happen, bro. It's gonna happen, bro. We're gonna speak to existence, too. It's gonna happen, though. For sure, for sure. I've been having these dreams back to back, like, it's gonna happen, bro. Y'all just gotta stay tuned in, man. Y'all gotta stay for the ride, man. You feel me? You can't. If you been watching me since day one, why stop now, man? Y'all gotta stay for the ride, man. It's about to get real interesting on this channel, dog. Notice I ain't been posting like that. Man, it's about to get real interesting on this channel, dog. For sure, for sure. Y'all got to stay tuned in, bro. Me and my cousin about to start those bangers too, man. But I would never leave my sleeve shop at that place right there, bro. That storage place never closed, bro. That gate always open. Like, what kind of shit is that? Bro, the gate always open, but it don't never close. I'm gonna have to leave my man. I'm gonna have to find another storage place or leave my sleeve shop somewhere at the house or something, bro. That's crazy. Like, what kind of storage place that is? They don't never close the gate. The gate always up. I don't want my stuff in there. That's not safe. You know what I'm saying? Like, somebody can get in there. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. You know what I'm saying? So this storage place right there ain't the move. I'm about to say, bro, stay in your lane, bro. Yeah, I ain't messing with that storage place. No, sir. I'm back at the yard again. I already told y'all, man, live for the Malibu, man. Bro, all this stuff, little budget bill, a little get around car. I'm gonna go back to the one that I was already on. Trying to get all these speakers and stuff, man. I told y'all I was supposed to cut the wires, but now I'm here to cut the wires. You see, I already been in it. Oh, and that's mine. I left it. And we need these. Yeah, we need those. So, gonna take care of this side, that side, and go back here. B. Lock that on or not. Oh yeah, and I need the light bulb in here. I need that bulb in here for my. I don't know why that one look like it. Yeah. Stay tuned, y'all. You see what I was saying? Got them thing connected now, playing and everything. So, down with that. You know what I'm saying? Push that in there like that. And we gonna screw him on in. You know? We gonna screw him on in. They're done. And I replaced this light already too. The ambient light for nighttime. See, look. Show y'all what I'm talking about. Start working already. Oh, you wanna know why? The door ain't plugged up, y'all. Yeah, look. Let me plug the door up, I can show you. Plug the door up, I can show you. You go in here. Slide through that. You know. You know. Yeah. Like I was saying, see, I had paid for these. And I don't know, like, they be hitting like they was bust a little bit, but they wasn't bust. I guess it's because they wasn't bolted down or whatever. I wanted to go with the start sign anyway, like the loaded version start sign, so I end up, you know what I'm saying? End up going back to, and they in there. They end up going back to the stock ones I got from Pull Apart. Y'all seen me when I got out that car. Things sound good too. Yeah. And I did it the right way. It sounded real good now. I ain't had no music in it. Then this speaker for the passenger door, I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't working though. So I'm gonna go get another one of these. But I put one in the driver though. So that sounded good, man. Like something, man, it's a budget bill, man. Like, y'all even know this. This carpet in here. This wasn't neat like this. I got this from Pull Apart too, man. I just put it together, man. Gonna put it on together. I gotta get some one of these. I get one of those. So this thing right here, clothes on you, boy. And this boy heavy, boy. Clothes on you and hurt you. Get that out of here. Yeah. They coming around, man. They already know I got the They already know I got the big screen in here. That big new Sony guy. Yeah, man, it coming around though, man. This is a slider. Eventually, he gonna be gone without LTZ rim. I gotta play this tail light, this chip. Play this. Yeah, man, ain't nothing though. Good car, man. Still gotta do the seats. Probably just get them deep clean. I don't know. So I take my time. Yeah, I see I got that light working now. And that light in there. One working, got that and that working. Well, like the other side. But yeah, man. I take my time putting it together. Oh, yeah. Another one of these. I'll take my time putting it together, man. Ain't no rush. I'm gonna leave that speaker wire right there because I'm still putting 12s in the back. Ain't no rush though, man. Take my time, man. You feel me? Man, my car, y'all know I gotta have all the car, man. This ain't nothing but a little slider. Get around these, ride my other cars.